Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are back in California after being taking a very long trip from Rome, well actually from Calabria to Rome, and then Rome to Atlanta, and then Atlanta to Sacramento, and then back home. Anyway, it was a long trip, and I have to say our girl Gigi did absolutely fabulously. She got so many compliments, and I really appreciate when people really understand and acknowledge the amount of training and the amount of work to create a service dog like her. She's pretty fantastic. Anyway, I wanted to go over the sticker shock that we experienced in the supermarket this morning. We went down to replenish our supplies, you know, because we're going to be here for a few weeks. And oh my goodness, I could not believe the prices. It was just unreal. So I did a little video of what I saw in the Safeway here. And you can compare it with the video I did previously in Conad in Scalea, which I think is going to be really quite dramatic, the difference in prices between Calabrian prices and now California prices. They were high before, they're just completely in the stratosphere right now. So anyway, take a look at that. It'll be entertaining if nothing else, and we'll see you soon. Okay, sticker shock, $9 for a fresh mozzarella cheese. I don't even remember how much it is in Calabria, but I'll tell you it is not $9. Not even in northern Italy is it $9. These are on sale too. The cheese prices are out the roof here in California.
Oh, so this one. I mean, you can't even get Rana. This is for price.
Oh yeah, so for $9.99 you can have young Parmesan style table cheese, which we know that Grana is young Parmesan cheese, but Parmesan style, what the heck is that? And it's $10 a slab. These slabs, I think they're like $3 or $4 in Calabria. This is just downright crazy. Okay, see these little guys? These aren't even the big ones. $5. $5. I just bought a whole bunch of fresh off the vine ones in Puglia, and they were like, I mean, I had to use coins because it was €5 was too much. So this is okay, $2.99 for a bag of carrots, $2.99 for signature celery stalks. Wow. And these baby carrots, you know, I think they're $2.99 too. But here's one thing I never found in Calabria is these kinds of cranberries. They call their berries mirtilli, and they're like currants. Mirtilli are also blueberries, so it can be a little difficult to find, but I've never found these. I don't even know if you could smuggle them over there. But, you know, they're here, but again, they're not cheap. Okay, here's another thing they do not have in Italy. I have never seen blue cheese dressing, so I am going to bathe in it here. Absolutely, I'm going to stuff my head with blue cheese while I'm here because I cannot get enough. Okay, so all of these things are about the same price. These little tubs of dried fruits and mixes and things like that, and they're $4.99. However, when I'm in Puglia and I stop at that little shop that they have, not shop, but when I stop at that little market that they have there every day in the morning, I get Snack Japan, which is almost exactly the same as that, but I would even say better. It has more stuff in it. And Snack Japan, I get like 200 grams of that for a couple of euros. It's crazy. $6 for a dozen eggs. Woohoo!